Good day everyone, I am CJ Mariam Samson from BS Mar A2 Polaris. Today I am going to perform stick welding. The first thing that we need to consider is the safety to lessen the danger during the welding. After that, gather all the necessary equipment such as your PPEs and your tools and equipment. After wearing the PPE and preparing the tools and equipment, set up the safe work area. After setting up the safety work area, clean the plates that you are going to use or that you are going to weld. After you clean the plates, we will going to proceed on setting up the welding machine. And now set up the right amperage.
On this scene, test your ampere if it is good for you by striking the electrode on the base metal and by adjusting the current setting. If you are now comfortable with your amperage, you can now proceed on welding. Remember, during welding, you need to be consistent on your position. That's why it is important to get your own style on welding. Also, the speed of travel of your electrode is very important. If you're too fast, your bead will result on thin and weak bead. And if your travel is too slow, your bead will result in a wide tall build-up of weld. So you need to weld not too fast and not too slow to get the right size of your bead. After you do welding, clean the new weld by removing the slug using the chipping hammer and brushing using the wear brush.